Since we're cooking outside.
You the man. Look, I tell you what, I'm gonna toss these up, bro. And if you don't mind, maybe get that in the pot for me. I got a paella spatula right over there, bro. Go ahead and grab that.
Let me get that.
Oh, man, that's the holy trinity right there. That's
All that onion and bell pepper and celery that we cooked up. You got butter in here already.
4 sticks of butter, man. The thing about etouffee, gotta have good butter in there, man. Good butter flavor.
Man, that's coming along nice.
That's what I say about etouffee. You know, really the long part is just cooking it down, it down. Once I get the flour in there, I keep things moving. And the reason why you keep things moving is because flour is tiny little granules. If you ain't moving it, then some of them are burning. You know, so we keep it moving and we get to the right color.
I love water.
You love crawdads?
Yep, let's go right in there.
Be careful now, okay? Oh, that's all right. We call those casualties, but off camera, we're gonna throw those in the pot. All right, so we're plating this blackened redfish Acadiana, and we're gonna take this blackened redfish with the rice, and we're going to ladle some crawfish etouffee right over the top. People pay high dollar for this kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Some of that fish, man. You gotta get some of that etouffee. Get every little bit of the bite. Woo! That's what's up right now.
There's Louisiana in your mouth.